Hello and welcome back to another tech wrap tutorial. I'm Melissa Crafter, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this custom Libby glass, to which I added a decal to using Tech Wrap's new bubble-free chrome adhesive vinyl. This newly released vinyl has air channels that help prevent bubbles from forming on your decals. If that is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. So here are the newly released Tech Wrap bubble-free Mirror Chrome Adhesive Vinyls. As mentioned earlier, these vinyls have air channels that prevent air bubbles from forming on your decals. These vinyls are great if you're someone who struggles with getting bubbles on your decals. You can now find these on the Tech Wrap website. They'll be linked down below in the video description. So here I have already cut out my full wrap decal using my Cricut Explore Air 2. For one of the layers of my decal, I did use Tech Wrap matte vinyl in the color vanilla. And then I used the bubble-free Mirror Chrome Adhesive Vinyl in the color lime green for the second layer of my decal. I did purchase this SVG cut file from Etsy from the shop Sophie Art Studio. To weed out my decal, I'm going to be using my Tech Wrap weeding pen. I like to go in on one of the corners here and just begin to remove this big piece of excess vinyl. I'm going to also weed out the second layer of my decal, also going in on one of the corners and removing that big piece of excess vinyl. And then I'm going to go in and remove those small detail cuts. Now that both layers of my decal are weeded out, I'm going to layer them together using some transfer tape. The transfer tape that I'm using is the matte transfer tape from Tech Wrap. I'm going to take my transfer tape and I'm going to put it on my top layer of my decal. Now I'm going to remove the backing. To help layer my decal, I'm going to be using the backing from the bubble-free Mirror Chrome Adhesive Vinyl. This vinyl does have a transparent backing, so I'm going to be using it to help layer my decal. I'm going to be using the vinyl backing instead of parchment paper. I'm going to place my backing on top of my bottom layer. Here you can see that you can see directly through the backing. You do want to make sure that you're using your backing with this side facing up so that your top layer won't get stuck to your backing. You don't want to put your top layer on this back part because it will get stuck to it. Now I'm going to take my top layer and place it directly on top of my backing. You do want to leave a part of your top layer exposed up at the top without the backing underneath. That way when you find the correct placement, you can adhere that exposed part to the bottom layer. I'm going to take my top layer and my backing and place it directly on my bottom layer. Here you can see that you can see directly through the backing, and here you can play around with the placement until you find exactly where your top layer should be layered. Once I found the correct placement, I'm going to adhere that exposed piece that I left up at the top. I'm going to lift up my top layer, remove the backing, and bring both layers together. I'm going to use my squeegee here to press down on my transfer tape to make sure that my vinyl adheres on well. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove the backing. Here is my decal ready to be placed on my cup. Here's the cup that I'm going to be using. It is a 16-ounce beer can glass or Libby glass. I'm going to place it on top of my squeegee to keep it in place. Then going to take my decal and I'm going to try to center this as best as I could on my cup. Once I have placed it down, I'm going to use my squeegee to press down on my decal to make sure it adheres on well to my cup. then I'm going to remove my transfer tape. And here is how my cup turned out. I really enjoyed using this bubble-free Mirror Chrome Adhesive Vinyl. This vinyl really did apply bubble-free, which is a huge game changer. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.